Hi everyone, I'm Matilda and welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I am giving you 30 plus Valentine's Day crochet ideas. I did a video like this last year and it's getting a lot of traction, so I decided I would make another one. And this list is only YouTube videos, so it's accessible to everyone, especially for beginners. And it's got really dark all of a sudden, and I've gotten completely different videos for this list, so you can watch both videos if you want more options. Without further ado, let's begin. Also, I got this mic yesterday and I'm trying it out for the first time, so let me know if you like it. So the first idea on this list is a simple heart. It is in US terms, but it is super simple and easy to follow, and you can make it in a bunch of different shapes. And if you want to, you can also sew it on top of other crochet things to make a crochet applique. Next up is a granny square heart. You can make this into a pillow or a hat or literally anything. You can make this into a jumper or a cardigan if you want to, but this tutorial is really versatile because you can really make anything with it. Next is this really unique jasmine stitch heart. I really love how it looks, like the puffiness and like the pattern of it, like is so cool. It just turns a simple heart into a really creative, special one. It turns such a simple shape into quite a clever, beautiful, intricate one. And you could just like give this to someone like by itself. You don't have to sew it onto anything or like put it on top of anything. You could even make bunting out of it by just like doing what I did with this one and just like making chains, and then every 30 chains or so you then slip stitch into the top of the heart and then you get bunting. Who would have thought? Next up is this mini heart plant pot. I think this is so adorable. This is a gift for plant lovers and people who love gardening, or just really anyone in general. The little faces on the hearts are actually so cute, I got. Next we got this ribbon heart cake. I think it opens up.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we'll begin a super cute heart.
Next up is this ribbon heart cake. I think this is so cute. Don't eat it though. That's the only thing I have to say about this. It's so cute. I love the little ribbons. I think that's so adorable. And if you like serve it on like a plate, maybe not a plate, if you just present it in some way, I think it will look really fancy. These heart-shaped turtles are so adorable. I love these so much. If you're into amigurumi, definitely make these, because I think whoever you would gift it to or yourself would love it, because they just look so soft and so cute. Next up, we got a bear with like a little heart. So cute. There's also another version by Mahum Crochets, who I love. I literally speak about her all the time on my channel. And she's got a similar bear that holds a heart, and also another bear that holds a tulip, which is so cute. I think this is like the perfect gift. Like if I had to make something for Valentine's Day, I would make these, even though I'm not really the best at amigurumi. I'll learn just for this cute little bear. But this bear is smaller, but you could basically change the size of any bear or any project with just changing the size of your yarn and your hook. Now I know this isn't an actual project, and it's actually not a YouTube video, it's a YouTube short. Astro! And I know it's not a YouTube video, it's a YouTube short, but it's like this really cute little like pattern, like not a crochet pattern, but like a little heart pattern. And I think you could apply it to any project. You can make like a wallet out of it. You could make something like really simple. You could just do like a strip, not like you could basically just do a bunch of single crochets and like integrate this into the pattern of that, and then you get a cute tapestry to put on your wall, or you could turn it into a headband. I think that would be really cute. Astro, you're fed in like an hour and a half. Guys, my cat is really loud. Everyone say hello to Astro. Hello. I love when my cat makes an appearance. Now we have this crochet heart hat. Next we have this crochet heart hat. I think this is perfect for like cold weather, especially because February is cold, especially in London. It's not February at the time I'm recording this, but I just know that it's gonna be so cold. And I think the little hearts is so adorable. You can also, like, if you don't want to make something as intricate as this, you could just make like a normal plain beanie and just like put the heart applique on it. Like I did something similar. I think I did a project like this until I lost the hat. I know, so sad. Or make a beanie in like pink or red for Valentine's Day. On the topic of bears, we also have these cute bears with like little cardigans, again by Mahum Crochets. I love her so much. And she has like the cutest things, like literally her whole page is basically Valentine's Day inspo. So if you want any more inspiration after this video, go check out her channel. I'll link all the videos in the description as well. But she's also made like a Harry style and Taylor Swift cardigan, and I think that's so adorable, and I would definitely want to make a bear like that. And you can customize it to like any artist you like as well. Next we got these heart-shaped foods. I think this is so unique. Like I've never seen anything like this before, but it's perfect for food lovers. Me. So if anyone wants to make me something, make me this. It's a little bag charm, so you can just like put it on your bag and like decorate it. It's so fun. Next, these crochet hearts. I think I made this before for my friend, like one of the mini versions, and then I gave it to her, but I don't think I have any photos of it. But just know I made it. And I didn't put the face or the legs on it, but she still liked like the actual heart. You can make a small bag charm or like a plushie or even like a pillow-sized heart. So this tutorial is really customizable. And next we got this heart bookmark. I think this is so cute. It's really simple and it's just like tapestry crochet. So if you want to tap into that, then I suggest watching this video, and it's also perfect for book lovers like my mum, so I might actually make this. Another bookmark, this is a Lily of the Valley and Bouquet bookmark. I think this is like so cute. I say cute too many times in this video, but like I actually mean it. They give off like pressed flower vibes, but crochet form. Next we got a book cover in this like granny stitch. You can make it into any colour, it doesn't have to be Valentine's Day themed. You can make it as a birthday present, but I had to include it on this list. This is another tutorial by the same YouTuber. It is like a mashup of a bunch of things in one tutorial. It's a bag, wallet / envelope and book sleeve, which is super cool. And also matches my necklace, funnily enough. Another book cover, this time it's a bear holding a heart. If you wanted to make 2 gifts for someone, or like even a matching gift, you could make this book sleeve with the bear holding a heart. I think that would be an amazing combo. Next up is this bouquet of roses. I think this is perfect for a special someone. You could make them this little bouquet. I think it would be very romantic. You could also just make a single rose if you don't want to like make a whole bouquet. You can give out like roses to everyone you love. I feel like that would be a fun little suggestion. Another bouquet, except this time it's small and it's a ring box. So if you just happen to propose on Valentine's Day, this could be the project to make. And you could also just put normal rings in there. Of course, it isn't just for proposing, but I think it's really cute and romantic. We also have another bunny with the heart. I think there are too many tutorials that I just can't like condense in one list. Like I have to put them all in the list because they're just so cute. Like there are so many options for bears holding hearts and I love that. And this one also has bows on the ears, which I think are really cute. Okay, so I thought that was my last idea of a bear holding a heart, but we have another one. This time it's like a range of animals holding hearts. So if you don't want to crochet a bear holding a heart, you can crochet a cat holding a heart or a dog holding a heart. And this one is also a bag charm, so you could just put it on your bag. Another simple heart. I really like the border of this one. I think it's really like a cool texture. Next up, we got a Valentine's goodie, which is a mixture of a scarf and a hoodie, aka a balaclava. I told my dad what a balaclava is in crochet terms, and he was like, isn't that just a thing that you cover your face with? So what is a balaclava exactly? Can someone tell me in the comments, because I genuinely don't know. And especially in the cold winter month, this is so useful and such a good gift. And now we're going to be taking a look at crochet clothes. This creator, Shyla Crochets, has a bunch of video tutorials on similar like looking clothes with like the same kind of stitch, but she makes a bunch of different variations of them, like this shrug, this halter dress, this other dress, and a tank top. So if you want to make matching clothes for people, you could always make a little set, like a dress and then a shirt, but they all kind of have the same stitch. I think that'll be really cool. So it gives you a lot of variety and options for the stitch. Another dress is this crochet halter rose dress. It's adjustable in the back and it has a cute rose at the top. It's literally called the Valentina dress. Like it couldn't be more Valentine's than this. Our penultimate item on this list is this heart cutout sweater dress inspired by Larika Matoshi and Vivienne Westwood, both incredible designers. She was also able to adapt a traditionally knit pattern into a crochet pattern, which I think is really clever. And finally, we have a heart sweater where the heart emanates from the center into like beautiful little rings of hearts. It's double-sided, so it could prove a challenge, but if you're up for a challenge and you want to expand your crocheting skills, I suggest that you watch this tutorial. And that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Comment down below which idea you liked most and which ideas you are thinking of crocheting. It will be so helpful to me if you could like and subscribe, and even check out my socials linked in the description. As always, every video is linked in the description, and I hope you have a lovely day or night. Mwah.